Hi guys, how can you create this creative zigzag mask poster design effect in Photoshop? First, go to File New and create a new document with a white background using your preferred settings. Fit the image to the canvas. Go to the option, select Polygonal Lasso tool. Create zigzag cutting line. Press Ctrl plus J to create A of the zigzag shape. Now double-click the zigzag layer to open layer style. First, enable drop shadow. Set the blend mode to normal. Choose black as the shadow color. Set the opacity to around 55%, distance to 50 pixels, spread to 21%, and size to around 75 pixels. Set the normal contour called linear. Next, enable bevel and emboss. Set the style to inner bevel, technique to smooth, depth to 100%, and size to around 16 pixels. Leave the remaining settings at their default or adjust them to match your design. Click OK to apply the layer styles. Now go to File, Place Embedded, and insert the image you want to use. Right-click the image layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Press Ctrl plus T to resize and position the image inside the zigzag shape. Now select the zigzag cut shape, press Ctrl plus T, set it on best position in the middle. Next, select the horizontal type tool and add your main title. Let's add the brand name anything. I'll use the Georgia font, but you can choose any font that suits your style. If you want, double-click the text layer and change the text color to any color you like. I said green one. Open layer style. For this text, I will shadow for the text. Set distance to 20, spread to 10, size to 24. Add another main text. Open layer style for the text and enable drop shadow using the same settings to create a consistent look across the text. And that's it. That's how you can create a creative zigzag mask poster design effect in Photoshop.